Hello friends, the objective of this presentation is to suggest some innovative way of learning DOE. You may be knowing what DOE is. It is basically uh, called design of experiments, and design of experiments is a very powerful technique used mainly in the manufacturing industry for reducing the defects, improving cycle time, and improving cost. And it works on the processes. So the details we'll see in the next slide. But the purpose is that DOE is a little bit. I will not say tough subject, but it takes a lot of time. People take time ranging from 5 to 8 years to be expert on DOE, and I'm going to suggest some of the uh, ways by which you can learn DOE in months. See, why should one should learn DOE and what is DOE? Actually, DOE is basically working on the processes in the either in the manufacturing or service industry. Any process has got inputs, outputs, and some of the uh, uncontrolled and control parameters. Now, by using DOE, one can find out which are the critical inputs, and if you monitor the inputs, then through these change levels of the input, one can uh, affect the output level, output quality, and this can be the experiment can be done in actual plant or process, and then the learning can be used for making the process optimized and the output to desired level. However, it takes a lot of time. The trial itself it takes a lot of time, and of course the benefits are huge. The yield improvement, cycle time reduces, cost improves, and also this technique can be used for making the product design for a product which are reliable and can work in the adverse conditions. So I will suggest you some methods by which one can learn this DOE little faster. Actually, I took almost 8 to 10 years to come to a comfortable level of knowledge of DOE. However, the suggested method as given by me, if you are interested, you can become an expert within a year or so. So let's see. Before we go for the how to learn DOE fast, let's a little bit understand what are the aftermaths of COVID-19. This is very clear. There is huge disruptions in our life as well as in the business, and most of the businesses have moved to online mode or a hybrid of online and offline or physical mode. And now the globally the world is more connected than it used to be earlier. Customer needs and demands have changed completely, and customer are very uh, now they are aware of the quality. They need it to be error free with a less cost and speedier in this change world. And the companies are uh, they have to work around this major theme. And after this upheaval of COVID, there is a sudden spot in startups and who are working mostly on the internet enabled model and they are able to serve the customer who are at with whom they are not coming in physical contact. The human civilization has moved over these five uh, uh, specific time zones. One is Stone Age, the first one when the ancient people were there, ancient men were there. Then agricultural age, industrial age, IT, information technology age when different functions of the company was integrated through IT, and some of the companies also integrated with their uh, other players in the industry as well as suppliers and customers. And now, since last 5 years, it is a knowledge age. That means all the capital equipment, resources, large workforce are not the only differentiator. The knowledge and skills are the new differentiators, and in fact, they will become the major differentiators because implementation and all they are very fast. But there is a if you have a good idea, a bright idea, a innovative idea, you can immediately, like you see the examples are Apple, Tesla, and so many companies, and they are all in the solving customers' problems. So competitive advantage now will be not only these other things but knowledge and skills. That's why it is very important that this imparting of knowledge and making the workforce skilled is the most important thing. And of course, the knowledge needs to be shared within the organization and outside the organization with suppliers and customers. So new skills are coming up: artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT means Internet of Things, business automation, digital marketing. Earlier it was a luxury, but now it is a necessity. So everybody needs to learn this new gamut of digital marketing. Online meaning everything is from the online training, online uh, 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 conferences. Now people are having online seminars where about 2,000, 3,000 people are there, and it is because of this let's say the provider like Google Meet, Zoom. Hardly the deliverable is almost similar, and this is going to stay in there now. And because of this online training, this uh, training, mentoring, coaching, this particular line, particular business are having multiple growth. It is estimated that this at the moment the global market for this business is online training, mentoring, and coaching is 70 to 80 billion dollars and is going very fast. And that's why it is important that we must also understand what are the new ways of training, new ways of learning. And coming back to our subject of DOE, the similar uh, mm, skills like Lean, Six Sigma, DOE, they are all centered around the customer's needs. That is, getting the product with speed, accurate, and with high reliability and reduce cost. And that is why uh, this one is going to be the what do you call the summary of customers' requirement, and that is why one has to learn DOE, right, which is a very powerful technique along with Six Sigma and Lean, particularly for people who are working in the manufacturing industry. So it is told that If you want to become an expert, you need to spend 10,000 hours. Uh, and even you are going to spend 3 hours a day, it is almost you will take about 10 years. Nobody has this time, neither the organization nor the person. So that is why we have to find the very innovative and new way of getting training or getting a skill very fast. And we'll see, particularly for how DOE, how he is going to be there. As I was telling you, this training, coaching, and mentoring a multi-billion industry up to 70 to 18, $80 billion and growing at a very fast rate. So everybody is jumping into it, and this is all because the skills, new skills, have become very important and very sort of it is a differentiator. And one other benefit is there. It is now getting skilled is very less costly. You are in the home and you can attend a online training. And of course, the most important is the practicals. Then we will see how it is to be done. So this should be effective, outcome based, time efficient, cost effective training, and all these things. Online trainings are there. Basics of this learning is uh, the theoretical input, books, lectures, reading through documents is learning part. If it is 1x, then the output, there is, you have to reflect, you have to implement, and then sharing. Share with your in the organization, outside the organization, through different social media. And this has to be at least twice x of time of the input. And here DOE also one has to do similar way. They have to whatever they are reading 1 hour or 3 hours they have to implement 6 hours. But how do you can implement in the plant when the plants are running, the machine is running, or you are going to work and it needs to be stopped for a while, and the whole thing you will get disturbed. So in the DOE, there are positive purposeful interventions with the process inputs and analyze the input change. So you change the input levels, and you can see the analyze. You can output you can notice the change in output in relation to the what the inputs have been changed in the levels, and from there one can get a regression equation using the Minitab software, and then by the analysis one can know which are critical inputs and which are the less critical inputs, and accordingly one can change the level, and you can affect the output level change. And however, these things are difficult to be done in the running process because you have to stop the plant, and this production will get hampered, and a lot of other things will be there. So for DOE, just simple solution is there. Use a wooden catapult. This wooden catapult, we'll see the picture in the next slide. It can simulate a process, physical process in the plant by way of its innovative design and operation. It has got multiple discrete inputs and a one analog variable. So you see, it has got different parts, and this arm moves through this guide, circular guide here, and it has a ball kept in the cup in the upper area of the arm. This is called peg, around which this string has moved to give a tension. This is the hook, and this moves through this angle. This is the stopper, and this is the fulcrum around which the arm rotates. So what is the procedure of working? This is brought down. So as you brought down, the length of the string increases. Since it is a rubber string, this will be under tension, and when you, after taking it to the ground level, release the hand, then this will come and hit the stopper here, and this ball will get thrown up, and this distance of throw is measured from the front end of the catapult, and this response is a normal uh, response with normal distribution. So if you do all the experiments, so they are random, they are normal, and one can make many conclusions, and also accordingly you can take action in the regression equation which you will get from there. And this can be done in the home or in the office, and you don't have to go and interfere with the actual physical process. After you practice it here, several type of things you can learn this full factorial, fractional factorial, and optimization. All these things you can learn, and then after you are thorough here, then you can go and do in the plant. And that is why I'm saying that when uh, you after going through the book, you reflect it, and you conduct the trials here in this simple yet robust instrument. One can really cut down the training time or learning time. And though I took 8 to 10 years, I'm sure some of you can become an expert with the right amount of guidance and right amount of right access to books. You can you can become an expert within a few months, 6 to 8 months. And there is a huge demand of DOE professionals now, because actually, if you see the Six Sigma principle, etc., finally delivers the output to the organization through this DOE only. So, if you are the expert in DOE, it will help you in improving your career. It will help you the company also reduce costs, reduce rejections, and become a and we have a reliable product. So I think this is very powerful technique which cannot be overlooked by either the management or the organization or the employee. And if the employee is interested to have his career growth, then he has to do this himself. Even he needs to be he needs that he buys it own, not even the company, not by waiting for the company. So already we have discussed this. Minitab can be used. So what are the takeaways are there? If you are a learner of serious learner of DOE, you need this simulation equipment in your office or in the area where you are working, and have access to quality books, lectures, online training, etc. And then you can become an expert. And now we cannot what do you call demean or less mean the utility of new tools. These are the new skills, and DOE is one of the such um, technique which cannot be overlooked. And I have given references to some books here. You see, in this book, at the end of every chapter, a series of problems are there, and there they have used this catapult, and it will be really good. So if you can get hold of this book, and of course we can also uh, have other books as well. But this book is very good to get the theory from the book and the practical using suggested means, and procuring catapult either by the company or by yourself. I given the two of my lectures here in the YouTube, and then this is one on skilling, the one which discussed that shadow learning and deep learning, and this is a source of catapult uh, available in India. Earlier, good catapults are not available, were not available. Now it is available. One can also import it, but import is very costly, and you need not, because at very less cost, at least maybe two-thirds of the cost, you are getting it here. And friends, I am going to put more videos in this series on the subject of DOE in a very consistent and in a frequent manner. So do kindly subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell icon so that you can get alerts. Thank you very much.